It's Monica Cornetti. I'm president of Sententia and I'm game master at Gamicon. And I wanted to show you just some quick clips of what you can expect at our Gamicon 48V. It runs February 10th through 12th, 2025. It's just around the corner. And we are honored to have Kerstin Oberprieler from Australia on our platform again this year. Kerstin is an award-winning designer. She always has a different approach to game design and how we can use it in what we're doing in real life. And for example, this clip I'm going to show you is how Kerstin brilliantly took the concept of team building and turned it into a gamified application. Now, we all know that team building sucks. We've all been to those types of events where we're like, I don't want to do this. But what if we could make it something that our team actively wants to engage, is excited about it, and then gets that kind of whack on the side of the head of, oh, this is important. I can do something to make life better for me at work, and I can apply it, and I can do this. I can do it. So let's watch this clip from Kerstin together.
So it's been around since 1974, and it's really considered the first modern role-playing game. More than 50 million people play D&D, and in 2020, D&D players watched 4.3 billion minutes of Twitch content. So this is watching other people play D&D. There's also a nice diversity, obviously, given its history and it's been around for so long. About 40% of people playing D&D are female, and more than a third of them belong to Gen Z. So it's deeply ingrained in our culture. There's a recent movie, it's quite good, the D&D movie, and there's also Stranger Things and shows like that. So really important game as part of history. So we've got this really engaging thing. It's been around for over 50 years. And then when we look in the corporate environment, we've got traditional team building that just really sucks. It's boring, it's forgettable, predictable, it's PowerPoint presentations. When you try to do the team building, sometimes it can feel really awkward or uncomfortable socially. It doesn't incorporate individual differences, and often it doesn't feel like there's a relevance to the work context. So my dear friend and colleague Bill Vanier and I, he plays Dungeons & Dragons with me and we work together. We had this question of how can we use Dungeons & Dragons in a corporate environment. I've got a QR code to our LinkedIn there. Really smart guys. Please feel free to follow him on LinkedIn as well. So that was the question. So this is the design, and then we'll go through it, and I want you as well to get a go. So you're going to be filling out your character sheet shortly.